Welcome to Ramitha's Art and Craft World for Kids. Okay friends, these are eggshells. Be careful that you should careful that not a small piece should be broken. Okay, it is dried out. It is washed after the use and dried. Now we can just look at when we join this. It looks like a complete egg, isn't it? So we can apply gum here. FEVICOL. Apply gum and we can stick it like this. Now till it dries, you keep it somewhere with a support. Also rub like this to spread the glue. This is not a problem if this is seen. We can stick a white paper here. Okay, now let this dry for at least 1 day. So our egg is dried completely. It has been sticked well, and now this is a sketch pen. You can take any color you want and start coloring. And one more thing, you can use sketch pen, watercolor, crayons, oil pastel, any type of color you want. So you can color this egg completely. So we have colored our eggs. I also told that you can choose any color you want, but girls most like pink colors. So we can take a scissor or pin to make a small hole here and below the egg. So we can take this sharp point and make a small hole here, top. Be careful that only small hole should be there. Okay, now just below we can here also make a small. Here also there are 2 holes, up and down. So we can keep this aside, and we need this. It's so flexible string. We need 3 strings like this and join like this. In top we can separate this into 3, and one we can do like this, and another 2 we can just do like this to make this together. So I think you have understand. One is here, it's left, and now our string is ready. Now what we have to do is take this egg. Below we can enter this through this small hole and take it out here. So carefully enter this string through here. We have entered. Now take the another through here. So we have entered like this. Now carefully make this into 2. You know that these are 2 strings and we can make this into 2. So now these strings are 2 like antennas of ants. Now we can just bend like this. Bend. Okay, now we can do like this. And from down, you remember that we have one more string left here. We can can start twisting like this. So we have twisted. Now twist. Okay, we have twisted completely. Now you can see that it is perfectly being ready. This will rotate like this, but not problem. But this will not come down as we have twisted many times this string here. Now we need a strip like this. It's green color paper and a refill. Now we can rotate it like this to make a stick for this rose. Now we can keep on rotating. So we have completed rotating. At the end we can apply some gum. Okay, now let it dry. Our stick is ready. So after sticking this, it will do like this, but no problem. Now insert carefully. Okay, now rotate to make it more tight. I think you have understood. We have rotated completely. I mean twisted. Okay, now here you can apply a small cello tab. And here also apply a small cello tab. So our this eggshell and this green stem is also ready. Now it's leaf. So these are the leaves that we are going to stick to the stem. So if you want to learn how to make these leaves easily, I have done a video. I'll give the video's link in the description box. You can go to my description box and see my video for making this leaf. So now we can take gum and here apply gum and stick it here. Now take this one and do the same process. We can stick this here too. Now take a paper like this and cut like me. So you have understood how I cut this. We need a green color. You can throw this. Now we need this. You can just take this and stick this ends. Now using a cello tab you can stick this. Now it's a cello tab. You can stick. Okay. Now these three petals of our eggshell is ready. So I think you have enjoyed my today's video. You can adjust this like this. It will stand because it's flexible string. You can keep in any way you want. You can bend like this or straight in any way. So I hope you enjoyed my video. So in order to make this eggshell flower more beautiful, we can use glitter powder. So first we can apply some gum where we want to powder No problem if you have taken more gum, it will not be seamed after it dries. So after spreading it like this, you can take a bitter powder and do like this, spread it. So complete egg you can do like this. Now after drying you can see what happens. So after drying our eggshell is like this. So finally it will be looking like this. Okay. Once more I am telling that if you want to learn how to make this, go to my description box and see the link for this video. Enjoyed my video, so don't forget to give me a like and share to maximum people. Also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. So till the next video, it's me Ramitha. Thank you for watching.